Hey, dog. Hey, am I on? Am I on, man?
Yeah, you on, Uncle Marty.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Uncle Marty. And, I know y'all remember me. I'm the old Superfly. Yeah, yeah. I'm the old Superfly. I done got older now. See, I don't look like I did when I was younger, you understand? Yeah. I don't look like that no more. I'm still a nice looking dude, but I just got older. My hair done got a little grayer, my mustache done got a little grayer, you understand? See, you can see that right there. Yeah, yeah, that's all a little grayer now. Yeah, you can see the dew. The dew is all gray, losing a little hair on the top. Yeah. Yeah, but the only thing is they don't call me Superfly no more. Yeah. Watch out, look out, get back. I'm now Ultra Premium. Premium Ultra Fly. Ultra Premium. Superior. Yeah. Yeah. High Tech Fly. Yeah. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. I'm up there now. Now, yeah, 'cause see I don't dress like that no more. You understand? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm so bad now. See, you got to watch out, look out, get back. Want me to say that a little slower? You want me to say that one more time, one last time, one final time? Watch out, look out, get back. You feel me, dog? Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, I say it one more time, one last time, one final time. Watch out, look out, get back. That's a ultra premium fly guy. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, I don't drive the Eldorado no more. Them cars I'm played out now. I ride in the back of a Lincoln Town car. You understand? With them dark tinted windows, I sit in the back and just tell the chauffeur where I got to go or where I want to go. You know, Sometimes I might get a chauffeur a little break. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I give him a little break and I drive myself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm Uncle Marty, ultra player, ultra premium player. Yeah, yeah. Ain't no more Superfly. See that done played out, like the Eldorado done played out. Well, listen, I got to sit back here and do my cool chilling. Yeah, yeah, I got to do my cool chilling. Hey, player, where my iced tea at? You ain't got my iced tea, man? Nah, see, I got to show y'all how to chill. I show y'all how to cool chill without my iced tea. Yeah, yeah. All right, I'm gonna show y'all like this. See, you got to lean back. Yeah, yeah. Lean back like this, like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, now I'm cool chilling. Yeah, yeah. Cool chilling. I'm cool chilling. Let me bounce on out of here and let me cool chill. I'm out, y'all. I'm out, player. Cut me off.